So these are some top free watch faces that you shouldn't miss out for your Galaxy Watch. Starting off with the number one watch face, and this is Info Block 2 from AMOLED Watch Faces that is free for a limited time. This face is kind of simple. We have our time at the top with rest of the information like sunset, sunrise, sleep data and heart rate monitor right here. On the left side we have step counter, while on the right side we have battery percentage. You can add two more shortcuts by tapping here. Further, you can customize this face in a lot of ways, like you can change background color, then you can change the gradient color of left side. Next up, you can do the same for the right side. And many more settings are here that you can check out. Next up, I have a retro design. Name of this face is Gas Discharge. This is a cool looking design with a circuit board in the back with these tubes right here. There are no color options with this face. Only you can add a few more complications by tapping right here on these points. High Sports Analog is an interesting design that shows a ton of information in the background. We have three subdials here that show heart rate, step counter, and battery percentage. This face also has a tachymeter dial right here. About color options, you can change the background texture. Next, you can change the background color. And we have a lot of options here that you can try out. Soft from AMOLED watch faces is an interesting design that shows time in this big font with your event right here, and battery percentage is also there. We have a lot of color options with this face that you can try out. I mean, the color options here are just way too much for this watch face. You can make unlimited combinations using this soft from AMOLED watch faces. Next up, I have MDS 452, an interesting material design face. Left side shows step counter, while right side shows battery percentage. Bottom section has your day and date. You can change a lot of colors with this face. Orange color looks kinda good with my Galaxy Watch Ultra. Graphic is another minimal face with this retro font. It's kinda easy to check out the info on this face. Color options with this face are interesting too. They are bright and vivid. Another face from the same developer is Retro Time, and this one has this simple design. Try it out, it's also free. Last one is from Dadam Watch Faces, and this is Dadam 64. It has a nice and classy dark background with two main dials. One shows week meter and the other one shows heart rate monitor, while this side shows your step counter and battery percentage with sunset and sunrise indicator. So these were all those watch faces that you shouldn't miss out for this month. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be dropping some more awesome content soon. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.